Go ahead and say what you said.
Okay, I hope you can hear me. This is a manual lathe, and it's the new apprentice working it. Here we go. Close up. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Cleans up nice.
Yeah, hold on, we're still running. We'll measure it. Where's my micrometer?
Always handy.
Always handy, exactly. So we measure this, and the size is, wow, look at that, point 800. Okay, I'm going to take 50 thousandths off.
Okay.
So here we go with 50 thousandths.
Got it.
Good. 50 thousandths. Let's see. Let's go.
So 800 minus 50 thousandths.
When I went to school, it was 750.
800. Okay. Yep.
We're taking metal off.
Yeah.
So 800 minus 50.
Is it 800 minus 50 or is it 50 times 2?
No.
No.
Very good question. Oh, look at that.
Oh, perfect. Let's get it.
Video.
Where? Oh, I'm trying to find it. There it is. Sorry. Focus. Zooming. There we go. Okay, it's at 7 plus 0.25 plus
0.750.
Right, 7.750. Yeah.
751
Oh yeah,
actually.
it was at 0. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, thanks very much. Okay, that's it.